Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Antoria J. I'm back with another hair tutorial, y'all. So I'm super excited about today's video because I took Eric and Tay, yes, Eric and Tay, the GOAT at Lace Hairstylist or whatever. I took his masterclass, so yeah, I'm just gonna be giving y'all a tutorial on how I slayed this wig. As y'all can see, his tips work because my wig is slayed. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I slayed this wig or whatever. So y'all stay tuned, okay? So before we get into the video, I just want to go ahead and give y'all the specs of the hair. So this is a 13x4 lace front wig. It's 10 inches. This video is not sponsored. I paid my own money for this wig. It was about 80 bucks on Amazon. I got it like in 2 days. You know, I'm a Prime member. Because if you're not a Prime member, like, what are you doing? What are you doing? So yeah, y'all, let's just jump into the video without further ado. Okay, y'all, so yeah, I'm just showing y'all the wig. So right now I am going ahead and slicking my hair back. So this is the first thing Tay say do is slick your hair back with the Got To Be gel and then blow dry it. You want to get all your hairs out the way. That's the goal of slicking it back. Excuse my braids, they look a hot mess. Okay, so after I slick it back, you're gonna go ahead and put your cap on. Now, I could have avoided putting my cap on because I'm not gonna, what Tay do, Tay used glue to hold the cap down. But I used the Got To Be spray because I knew I wasn't gonna keep this wig on for long. But if you want to follow Tay method, he used one layer of glue going in front of the client hairline or in front of your hairline. And then he let the glue dry, but I just used the freeze spray. So if you don't want it for a long time, you can still use the freeze spray. So after he put the one layer of glue, then he go in and put the makeup on the cap. I didn't put makeup on my cap because my cap was already like dark. I should have put makeup though because you're going to see the cap later on. Okay, another trick, major key alert. Tay spray his hairline with Got To Be freeze spray and hot comb it back before he put it on. That's what be giving it that fresh perm look and be looking all sleek and stuff. That is what he do. So I just gave y'all a gem. Spray the Got To Be and hot comb your hair. Now, another thing Tay do is he go ahead and cut his lace before he put it on his client head. So cut your lace before, but what he say he do is he leave a little bit of lace on there and cut the rest when he put it on the head. Now, I found it kind of hard leaving some of the lace on. I should have cut a little more off, you know, so, but yeah, that's what Tay do. So then after he do that, he go in with his glue. He say he used 4 to 5 layers of glue. So if you're using glue, use 4 to 5 layers. But me, I told you I ain't keeping this wig for long. I just use the Got To Be gel. So if you want some more short term, you can use the Got To Be gel. So yeah, I just put 1 layer of Got To Be gel on there. I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit, let it get tacky. Another thing what Tay do is when he put the glue, he don't go across the whole hairline how I just did. He do one side at a time. So he put 4 layers of glue on one side and he lay it down, and then he put the other 4 to 5 layers, however many he used, and on the other side. So he go half and half. So yeah, I'm just placing the wig down. Making sure everything is like laid down. And I was watching a video like as I was doing this, so that's why I was like stopping, looking down at my phone. But yeah, right now I'm just pressing everything in, trying to make sure it's sticking to the glue or gel. Okay, the next thing Tay do is he wraps his hair up. We're gonna wrap it up, put the elastic band on for a couple of minutes, and I just went ahead and blew dry my wig. and then you take it off. Okay, another major key alert. As y'all can see right here, take the freeze spray with the little edge brush, and he brushed the hair back, as y'all can see what I'm doing. So this is gonna help the hair, like I said, get that sleek, fresh look, because he be having his wig so sleek. So this is what he do. He brush it back. And I think I did a pretty good job for me, this being my first time using his techniques, but I know I'm gonna get better at it, because I know it was a few mistakes that I made that I know, like, okay, next time I know to do this, do that. So yeah, after he pushed the hair back with the Got To Be spray, he go in and cut off the extra lace that I told y'all he leave in the beginning. He go in and cut that off. So I wish I would have just cut all this extra lace off before I glued it down or gelled it down, because I wouldn't have to go in and do this step, because I felt like this is just unnecessary. So that's one thing that I would change about his method, is I would cut the extra lace before I even glue it down. But it makes it look more natural if you leave just a little bit of lace, not a lot, just a little bit extra lace. I noticed that made it look a little bit better. And so now what I'm finna do is, I'm showing y'all, this is the look I'm going for. So that was my inspiration for this wig. It ain't gonna be exactly like that, but I'm gonna try to get it close. So right now I'm just molding my part. I put my wax stick on my part, and now I'm finna hot comb it. And pretty much the rest of this install is gonna be me molding the hair down, getting it flat, getting it sleek. So yeah, and I'm gonna show y'all how he define his part and how he do his baby hair. So yeah, I'm just molding my part, trying to figure out how I want it, where I want it. Right now it's looking Humpty Dumpty, baby, but it's okay. That hot comb finna lay it down. And if y'all want to know where I got my hot comb from, just comment down below, because this hot comb works wonders, and it gets super hot. It go up to like 450 degrees. So yeah, right now I'm just laying it down. And what Tay used, he used a hairspray and oil. He didn't really use the wax stick at all, pretty much. But I don't have that hairspray he used a Climax hairspray. I don't have that. I need to go get it. But he used the Got To Be freeze spray, and he used the Climax hairspray. And then he go in with a little oil. Okay, so now this is how Tay get his parts to look all sleek and defined and popping. So first he go in and pluck. He go in and pluck the part a little bit, just a little bit. Don't do extra wide and all that. Just a little bit to define the part a little better. And then he say he take the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and he literally just put it in the part. Now, that ain't nothing new, but let me tell y'all the new thing. What everybody don't know what he do. He take a what is it called? A hair dye stick. So like the root touch-up dye stick, that is what Tay use to get his part defined. Now y'all gotta excuse my ghetto-ness. I used a mascara stick because I did not have the hair dye stick that he used, and I couldn't find it online. So I'm gonna keep looking for it. But if y'all know some, comment down below, because I don't know where the hell he got that hair stick from. But yeah, if you don't have a hair stick, you could go in with an old mascara or a mascara you're not using, and go ahead and just use that to kind of clean up your part and get it more defined. Okay, now on to the baby hairs. Okay, y'all, so what I did was part out. He just take it and he part out where he want his hair. He actually like take the baby hairs and make a line going across the whole lace frontal. But I know I was only gonna do like 2 or 3 swoops, so I just did it one at a time. But yeah, so first he hot comb it in the direction he wanted, and then take curls. He curled the baby hair. Like, I didn't do that part because my flat iron is too big, but he literally take a small flat iron and curl the baby hairs. So yeah, he take a razor to cut them, and this is what he used. He used the freeze spray and that brush right there. That's how he get his baby hairs so sleek. Okay, y'all, so that pretty much, you gotta just, he said you gotta just keep doing it and keep messing with it until you get it how you want it. So yeah, I learned a lot in this video, because I know I definitely learned so much. Like, my lace game, this is only the first time of me using his method, so of course it's gonna get better. Like, this is just the beginning, okay? So now that I have the tips and tricks, you know, like, it's up from here. That's it. So I hope y'all learned something. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click that like, that share button, comment, subscribe. all that. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.